Hello everyone, welcome back to Sparkle English. My name is Jennifer, and in my channel I teach you how to improve your English level. Today we have a B1 level grammar quiz, and it's a little bit more challenging. It's an intermediate level grammar test, and you have to fill in the blanks with the correct word. However, you will not have any options to choose from. You will have to think what word makes the most sense in each blank. For example, I feel eating pizza for dinner. The only word that makes sense is like. I feel like eating pizza. Ben is much taller. Jason. The only word that makes sense here is than. There are 15 questions in total. I recommend you get a piece of paper and write down your answers. We're going to start with part 1. John came home, work today, and couldn't wait. Tell his wife about the new project he's working on. It's a big one that will involve a lot. Traveling. John's excited because he's never to some of the places he'll be going to. He's also excited to be working with a team from different parts of world. Now you have 15 seconds to think of the correct words, and you can pause the video if you need more time. The first answer is from. John came home from work today and couldn't wait to tell his wife about the new project he's working on. It's a big one that will involve a lot of traveling. John's excited because he's never been to some of the places he'll be going to. He's also excited to be working with a team from different parts of the world. If you had any other answers, you can feel free to share in the comment section. Let's go on to part 2. I'm really looking forward to this project, John, his wife. I think going to be very challenging, but also very rewarding. John's wife was happy to hear about husband's new opportunity. How long will you be out of town for? Asked him. I'll be gone about 6 days, John replied. I'll make to call you day. The first answer is told. I'm really looking forward to this project, John told his wife. I think it's going to be very challenging, but also very rewarding. John's wife was happy to hear about her husband's new opportunity. How long will you be out of town for? She asked him. I'll be gone for about 6 days, John replied. I'll make sure to call you every day. Again, if you had different answers, feel free to share in the comment section. And finally, part 3. I miss you, but I think this is going to be good for your career, his wife said. A week later, John's trip, a huge success. He visited several countries and met interesting people. The project was challenging, but John's team worked well together. The first answer is will. I will miss you. You could also write apostrophe LL. I'll miss you. But I think this is going to be good for your career, his wife said. John's trip was a huge success. He visited several countries and met many interesting people. Okay, so let me know in the comment section how many you got correct out of 15. Let me know if you enjoyed this series and if you would like more videos like this one to practice your English level. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Sparkle English for more lessons like this one.